After an incredible start exploring Portland's hidden gems, from a hearty Jamaican breakfast at Friendship Gap to the breathtaking Somerset Falls and a delicious seafood at Soja Camp,
Look at this guy's juicy lobster.
you'd think it couldn't get any better, right? Well, we're just getting started. Welcome to another episode of Travel with Toniann, and I will be doing an entire series called The Portland Experience, Hidden Gems and Off-Path Adventures, and we are in episode 2. We're stepping into a whole new side of Portland, one that blends luxury with nature. We're taking you inside Geejam, an exclusive boutique retreat tucked away in the lush rainforest, where music legends and celebrities have stayed. You don't want to miss this. It's a whole vibe. So hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and watch until the end. So the drive from Soldier Camp to Geejam is about a 20 minutes drive, and again, you can use Google Maps to find it, and it's a really nice drive.
Southwest. Turn right, turn right.
So we checked in and I got this nice welcome drink. Thank you guys so much. And a brief introduction about the property. And they took us to our room. And I'll give you a room tour. So here it is. All right, guys, I'm here at Geejam and we're going to do a room tour of where I'm staying. I'm staying at Johnny's. Each room is named after some musical culture history that we have. The light just came on. So yeah. Let's take a room tour. So let's go. Get your card. And there's a doorbell here. And this is it. This is it here. As you come in here, you have your robe, your ironing board, and your safe. The light is supposed to come on. I'm not sure why it's not on, but this is where you keep everything here at the front. Then you have a stairs here. And what I love about this space is the selection of photos that they have. They are carefully curated, right? You have what seems to be like storage here. I guess it's for aesthetics. You have somewhere to put your luggage here. And again, timeless Jamaican photographs and pieces, really nice and classy, right? Let's go to the bathroom over here. You have this lovely tub. I'm not gonna use it, I'm not a tub fan. A nice classy photo here. This is a shower that can hold an entire party. That's it right here. You have your toilet here, your towels, your face basins, and they do have Geejam branded shower gels and soap. Oh, mosquito repellent. I forgot mine, so I'm glad that they have here. And your lighted mirror. Yeah, classy photos, love it. Then we have our TV here. It's a big TV and they use a Fire Stick, so you have like a Netflix. Here you have your tea, your coffee roasters. Can't wait to try this. Your teas, your water. Here, I think in here you have like your pillows. In here you have a little mini fridge with water. So your water here. And you have a little desk here. You know, if you want to sit down and do work, you can sit here. Lounge here. Timeless paintings again. And your bed, a nice king-size bed. I hope it's comfortable. And the wall is decorated with lots of beautiful classic photos. Really, really aesthetic. Like the color that they use for the room, really nice and airy. Outside we have the balcony. Alright, this is the balcony. You have the nice red chairs, and you have a nice view out here. Really nice. And that's it, guys. This is the room tour. So follow me on my couple of days here spending with Geejam. I'll be doing a tour of the property. I'll be sharing that with you tomorrow. So we're going to Bush Bar, which is their restaurant that they have on property. They do live music. Today is Jamaican Music Day. They're gonna have jazz. It starts around 7 and finishes about 11. So I'm gonna be here doing some content around that. And I can't wait, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so tired. Like now it's about to 5 and I'm tired, so I'm just gonna bathe, sleep, and just rest. So talk to you soon. All right, guys, so I just had a little nap, still tired, but so I'm going for dinner at the Bush Bar that they have here. It's a Bush Bar restaurant, so they have live music every Friday and Saturday, so I'm gonna check it out. And their theme is Jamaican music, so we're gonna check it out. So see you. So like I said before, we are heading to Bush Bar, which is the on-site restaurant at Geejam, and they do have music there every Friday and Saturdays. And you know, this idea came from John Baker, who is one of the owners of Geejam. He envisioned this live music to celebrate Jamaican music, and the theme for Friday night, a jazz and reggae fusion, and they have live musicians who perform for you here at the restaurant. And all of these musicians hailed from Portland, and they are truly talented musicians. And you know, John basically believes in revitalizing Portland as its destination for music. So we're gonna talk a little bit about that later in the video, but this is it. And here are snippets of the live performances and an introduction from John about this new live music experience. And I hope you guys enjoy it.
Hotel, welcome to everybody. Really happy to be here tonight and basically announce that live music is back at Geejam. It's been a minute and we've got some incredible bands that we're going to be showcasing here on Fridays and Saturdays. But tonight we're going to have a chill night. It's going to be our Jamaican jazz fusion, a young quartet, Jamil Grant's quartet, incredibly talented, and they're going to do some new renditions and some classic jazz, some classic Jamaican music, and some brilliant fusions they're doing. So I'd like to, all from Port Antonio as well, introduce Jamil Grant's quartet. Give them a round of applause, please. Thank you.
So I enjoyed the live music here. Just being able to, you know, enjoy your food with live music, great combination. No, I forgot to tell you a little bit about Bush Bar. It's a restaurant, as I said, and they do serve Jamaican and international dishes. Something to note, if you do book with Geejam, the breakfast is included in your stay. But dinner and lunch, you have to purchase at Bush Bar, or if you want to go outside and experience different local restaurants, you can do so. So if you want to experience this live entertainment, you don't have to be a guest at Geejam. You can actually come. If you are dining, it's on the house. If you're not, there is a cover charge of 25 US and it includes a cocktail. The live entertainment, and I highly recommend it. And that's how I ended my night. So see you tomorrow. Hi guys, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. In day 2 at Geejam, I had a rested night. Tired though, tired after the driving. We went to Somerset Falls, we went to Soldier Camp, and I'm really tired. But I woke up early to this stunning view. Look at that. However, it is raining. We woke up at around 7:30 getting ready, but the rain had us locked in for a little bit. So we're gonna have some breakfast. I'm gonna show the property. We're gonna get a property tour with the manager, and yeah, and we're supposed to be going to Nanny Falls. Hopefully the rain will stop by then. It will allow us to, you know, explore Portland more. We're having unusual rain at this time. I'm not sure why, but yeah. So see you soon. I'm gonna get some breakfast. Alright guys, so I am here with look at this view here. Having breakfast and views, very nice. And I'm having my coffee. You know, I have to start the day right. So they do have a restaurant on site called Bush Bar. Hi, and I'm doing my vlog. Say hi, where's the camera? Alright, so breakfast is here. My partner got callaloo, salt mackerel dumpling, and we got our cup of coffee. I got the egg bacon and some toast with coffee, of course, and we got melon ginger blended juice. So they do blended juice as well. So yeah, this is breakfast. Looking good, and we're gonna enjoy. So like I said before, if you are booking your stay with Geejam, breakfast is complimentary. They do daily breakfast from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. and they do Jamaican breakfast and continental breakfast daily. If you are not a guest at Geejam, you can come here and have breakfast. Just book your reservation and you're free to do so. Their Jamaican breakfast typically costs 15 US and their continental breakfast costs 20 US, and this is at the time of shooting this video. All right, so we just finished breakfast, so we're heading to the room. It's raining. You can't really see it now, but the rain is falling. That is the thing with Portland. It rains a lot. Kind of unusual at this time of the year, but we just have to just enjoy it. We're supposed to go to Nanny Falls, but we'll see based on the weather. So yeah, see you in a few. So unfortunately, I was not able to go to Nanny Falls because of the unusual rain that was happening in Portland at the time. In December, they had some unusual rain. So I decided to take a tour of the property, and special thanks to Newton from Geejam. You know, he took me on a tour of the property. We toured the Roomba room, we toured the cabins. We weren't able to do the villas because they were occupied, but I'm sure next time I'll be able to do a tour of it. So check it out. We're going to do a tour. The tour officially starts where we're going to tour the recording room that Geejam uses. It's a recording studio. So people from all over the world come and record their songs here. So we're going to take a view of it. So let's go. One of the cool things about Geejam is that there is a recording studio here. And let me tell you something. Big names have passed through this recording studio. People like Drake, Rihanna, Amy Winehouse, Damian Marley, you name it, Skillipeng, you name it. They have been here. It's international. They have everything. People have created albums here. Listen, fantastic. And you know, a lot of musicians come here from all over the world to record at this studio. It's very phenomenal, and trust me, you're gonna love the tour of it. So let's get into it. We're heading to the studio, guys.
Recording so that you'll see.
Take off the shoes. Hi. Hi, I'm on camera, but I'm not going to get you guys. That's fine. Okay. Yes, I am. That's fine. I'm just doing a tour. What's your name?
So, hi everybody, my name is Tandra. I'm an engineer at Geejam Studios, right? So, I think I'm supposed to talk about the room and okay, cool. So this is our main studio, equipped with what is it? STC speakers and some other stuff happening here, but the brain of everything is our Neve console. It's made by Rupert Neve. It's a 5040. It's a 5008 console, right? So it's all analog. Superior, nice, clean sounding type of console. What you're listening to right now is a live recording from last night from our in-house band, right? That was up at Bush Bar. And yeah, I'm just mixing it because we're gonna be combining some video with the audio. Yeah, that's it. So enjoy the view and everything, yeah?
And you have artists from all over the world.
All over the world that come here.
You mind naming some of the artists that have been in the studio, done albums?
All right, so a couple weeks ago we had Damian Marley, Amy Winehouse here.
Oh.
We've had
Sam Smith.
We've had Gwen Stefani and the band. We've had Gorillaz in here. Of course, your local artist Popcorn Skang is resident here. Drake.
Oh, really?
Drake has been here a few times. Yeah, a few times actually. Skillibang, yeah.
Even Usain was out there.
Yeah, Usain Bolt, yeah. Grace
So
Jones
you
has
help
been
them
through
mix,
here.
mix and everything? You help your part of the process?
Sometimes it's a vibe. Sometimes it's a vibe. I mean, come on. G-Jam is a vibe, so sometimes it's just a vibe, but sometimes they're here to work as well.
Okay.
Right, and there's a lot of songwriting sessions with a lot of varied producers, very big producers.
Okay. Amazing. Nice. Well, thank you so much.
No problem.
All right. So we are heading to the lounge area. So if you don't want to be in the recording studio, you can come to the lounge area, which is upstairs. Wow, look at these stairs. Lots of stairs. You were not joking when you said that. Let us place so you can sit. Woo. Nice. Then we have the cabins. They're like treetop cabins nestled in the rainforest. And this is a nice hideaway that offers privacy and seclusion. So you have drum and bass, rocksteady, mental, and ska. There are 4 cabins here. So we're going to the drum bass cabin.
It has jacuzzi, big deck.
Jacuzzi, big deck, and okay.
Only cabin with a king bed.
Ew, this is the jacuzzi. And views. Okay.
To control that part of it, so
Okay.
we get the artists then to stay down here. Their students going on.
Oh, okay. So this can. Okay. This is it. Okay. A bathroom. You have your TV, your coffee section. I guess this is where your fridge is, your mini fridge, your closet space. Woo. Okay, this has these things there. Okay. It's nice. It's a bathroom.
Steam shower, bathtub.
Oh. Wow. Okay. Nice. Wow, still. Wow, look at this view. All right, so we are going to another cabin here. So lots of walking. Let's walking.
Meant as a jacuzzi, steam shower, hammock.
Okay. So this is what one of the cabins look like. You have your bed, your water, your coffee, lots of space outside, your little mini fridge, your TV, your robes, your safe, This is the bathroom, big enough size. Okay, it has a steamer as well. We open that outside. The best part, the jacuzzi here, space where you can sit down and have food and eat, and just look at the views here. Look at this nice lounge chair surrounded by the jungle. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And we have a hammock here. All right, so we just viewed one of the cabins, the mental cabin. This is the most private cabin at Geejam. And you're lost in the jungle. Look at that. Lots of lizards and mosquitoes. But yeah, it's nice. Ooh. So we're heading to Rocksteady. 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 This is where the studio is. Ooh. So this is Rocksteady. We have our bed here, table. You have your TV, somewhere to put your luggage. You have storage here with your ironing board, and your safe. Head into the bathroom here. It has a steam shower. Okay. Yeah. This is it. And of course you have a nice view here. So this is the gym. They do have a gym on property, so let's check it out. They have the treadmill, the elliptical, the bicycle, have some lockers here, some yoga mats. I guess this is the leg press, some weights. Yeah, this is it, small but I guess efficient. So the next stop is the beach. Geejam actually has a private beach for all their guests, but be warned, you have to walk down a lot of flight of steps to get there. So you just have to pace yourself. You can do it, but just be prepared. But once you get there, it's really nice. You can relax. You have the beach to yourself. They have changing room, bathrooms. They have an area where you can get food. Really nice. They also offer kayaking as well, so if you're interested in that, you can do that. I did that the last time I went. I couldn't do it this time because of the weather, but it was a really great experience. I got to see some turtles, and it was really nice. I highly recommend if you can do it. This is it. We're heading to the beach, guys, all the way down to the beach. More steps after this. All right, I don't like how that sound. All right, guys, we're heading to the beach from Geejam. So we're going down. Hopefully I can manage it, but yeah, let's go. Down we go. These things are super. We're gonna take time. Alright. This is it. Alright. So one thing to note, guys, when you come to Geejam, there are lots of steps, so you will be getting in your cardio. So all who love exercise, yeah, perfect way for exercise. Look at this. We're almost there, guys. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there, guys. Almost there. Almost. We made it. We made it. We made it. You made it. We're not finished. Oh, we have more stairs.
Careful of the motors.
Alright, so we're crossing the road. All right, we're seeing a little bit of the beach over there. It's pretty. More stairs, more stairs. More stairs. Is that coming as well?
No, it's new bathroom.
Oh, new bathroom. Okay. Okay. So this is the bathroom, guys. The newly built bathroom. A bathroom here.
Like a restaurant down here.
Oh, they have a restaurant. Oh, a lot has changed since I've come here. Okay, nice.
Like
Oh.
the grill size of pizza.
Yeah, this wasn't here when I was here at the time.
Pizza and
Wow. So we can get.
not open. That's weather permitted.
Okay, no problem. But if you want food like pizza and so, you can get it here.
Yeah.
Okay, at the restaurant. Amazing. Nice. This is the property here. Favorite part, which is the views. You ready for the views, guys? You ready? You ready? You ready? You ready? All right. See you here. Oh my God! Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful views. That's the beach over there.
Yeah.
That's the private beach.
Right.
This is the views.
That side of the turkey, right?
Yeah, we need to decide when we're doing it.
Yeah.
I mean, no, it's not the best.
No, it's kind of.
Yeah. Choppy, choppy. Wow, look at that. So this is the restaurant here where they will have pizza. So you can sit here, enjoy the views, and listen to the ocean. I mean, it's kind of rough right now, but this is it. Hopefully later we can go kayaking, but we'll see. But yeah, this is their private beach. This is the beach, guys. This is the private beach open to guests, right? I don't know why they have this mirror. What is this mirror for? Just to look.
Join on this.
Just to look. Right. Okay. What's up there again? The bathroom?
Yeah. So we just had something closer.
For the bathroom.
Yeah.
Okay. And this is where you can come and you can do your kayaking and go see the turtles and everything. So hopefully if the weather gets better, we can show you some of that, right? So this is it there. All right, so we're heading back. We have to cross the road. So walking up the steps. Round one of the steps. Round one of the steps. Many more to go. Yeah. Wow. Almost there. At the door. Made it! Made it! More stairs. Oh, gym. I don't want to see no gym after this, but there is a gym on site for those of you who are interested. All right, guys. So we did the beach tour, we did the recording studio tour, and we're just going to head back to the room, chill a little bit. We did meet Drizzy from. Should I take a video of it? But anyways, yeah. So we are going to check out our restaurant later, so see you in a few. All right, guys, it's 2 o'clock. It's lunchtime. We're about to get something to eat. We're going to go on the road though. We're going to go to Vanessa's Fine Food. I just found this on TripAdvisor. She got some good reviews, so I'm gonna check it out. And see, it's about 3 minutes away from here. I don't want to go too far into the town because Portland always have traffic. Port Antonio, actually. So, yeah, we're going to check it out and see what it's about. And of course, you're going to be there as well. So far, my trip here has been so good. At Geejam, the accommodation is good. The staff, they're very friendly. They're very accommodating. Again, if you don't wish to adventure outside of the hotel, they do have a restaurant on site. They sell snacks as well. They have room service. The weather has been a bit weird. It's, if you see outside, if you can, it's gloomy. So we were supposed to go to Nanny Falls this morning and the rain was just, it wouldn't have been good for content wise. So we're gonna do it on Monday and just check it out. So yeah, guys, I did meet Drizzy. Drizzy, I met him. So hopefully if I see him, I can just video him. I was so starstruck that I forgot to kind of slip in a video, but next time. But yeah, so see you in a few, guys. So we're off to Vanessa's Fine Food for lunch, and I found this place on TripAdvisor and the ratings were good, so I said, okay, let me just try it. It's only 3 minutes from Geejam. Now there is a guest house on property, and I guess this is their on-site restaurant. So I said, okay, let me check it out. So they serve Jamaican food. I got a chance to look on the menu. They have like saltfish fritters, fish, lobster, crayfish, oxtail, curry goat, you know, bami. They do pastas as well. I think they're reasonably priced and we're gonna check it out. All right, guys, the food is here. I got curry goat with mashed potatoes and a little rice and pea. Well, it's a lot, so we're gonna put the food to the test and see if it tastes really good. So yeah, this is it. So I'm gonna see if this really hit the spot. So I'm gonna try the mashed potatoes. All right. Have a little rice and pea. Ooh, it's hot. Not bad. It's well seasoned, well flavored. A little bit salty. Not bad. Alright, I am finished. The food was good. The curry goat was good, well seasoned. The rice and peas was good. The mashed potato was good. The bami, it was good. So we're waiting on the bill. Chill a little bit. We could have, I wouldn't say you could walk because it's 3 minutes by driving. But if you want a good workout, fine. But yeah. Alright, so in all, we had 2 curry goats, the rice and peas, red striped bear, and a ginger bear. And we paid $7,425 for it. The curry goat is very expensive now, I guess because it's Christmas season, and so yeah. Plus the GC, the 10% GCT. Yep. So this is the restaurant, guys. Nice. Yeah, you can. They have a bar here. This is the menu. So this is an inn. Alright guys, that was our late lunch. We're gonna head back to the hotel and just relax and wait until the live entertainment happens tonight. See you soon. Alright guys, I'm here and we're about to get some dinner. It's almost 8 o'clock. At Bush Bar, they're gonna have live entertainment, and Geejam will be having live entertainment every Friday night and Saturday night. So come out if you're in Port Antonio, Portland side. It's live music about Jamaican music, the history of Jamaican music. Looking forward to it. Music is my thing. I had an amazing interview with John Baker, one of the co-owners of Geejam, and you know, we just met for a little bit, did a little interview, and I'm so thankful. Thank you so much for, you know, having me here. And so we're gonna see what tonight is about. So
ladies and gentlemen, So tonight is our story of Jamaican music that we've been developing a set where, well, back in the 90s, a long time ago, when I worked with Island Records, they produced a CD which was called Story of Jamaican Music, which really lined up a lot of incredible Jamaican artists that a lot of people have never heard, but they probably have but didn't know who they were. So we decided to put, with this young band that we have from Port Antonio, we've been working on this for several months now, a live rendition of that story. And it doesn't include Bob Marley tunes, it's just really is a tribute to some of the great artists that have come out of Jamaica. This small island that has probably had more per capita success on the Billboard charts as songwriters, as well as the British Music Week charts, which is a bit like their sports track record. It's uncanny to an island of 3.5 million people. So anyway, we have Jamal Grant here, who's a music director. We're still putting it all together, and we have Kasha, and we have a really good motivated young team. So enjoy. Let's give them a round of applause, please. Thank you.
But everybody has to stop. It's a new that you can't resist. Sky, sky, sky. Man, sky, sky. Sky, sky, sky. You hear what I say? So I want you to simmer down. I'm sorry, people, them used to say, but sweet body thoughts are the running belly, so simmer down. We're having a party tonight, where everything will be alright. Come on, everyone. Reggae session. This is the late 60s, 1968 to be exact. You know what's the father got the bumps and the bliss. Some of the talented Jamaicans them right now. We talk about fuck. We talk about grip. You know.
Man, what talent lies in Portland. Listen, these guys, they are super talented, top-notch live performance. These people, they blew my mind. Trust me, this was really worth it. One of the best live performances I've seen in a very long time. Kudos to you guys. And that's how I ended my night. See you tomorrow. In the next episode, we're going to switch things up a bit. We're going to take it back to the roots where authentic Jamaican food and culture comes alive.
Lord, Miss Belinda. Spicy.
We're heading deep into Portland's rivers to experience a true hidden gem, Miss Belinda's, a must visit for real home-cooked Jamaican food served right here by the water. And at the end of the day, we're vibing out at Vinyl Sunday, where the music is pure, the records are spinning, and the culture is alive. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. So hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification, and I'll see you in episode 3.